Welcome back for day 10. Yes, day 10 of the 24 days of Hackmas with Katie. Welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Today for day 10, the Hackmas is to film lots, especially over the Christmas season. And I'm not talking about things that you want to put all over YouTube or things that other people will want to watch. Film those memories. We've got our Christmas tree out of the loft yesterday, and today, this evening, it's finally going up. And I've literally got time lapses, I've got cameras going, recording my kids decorating their tree. And it's magic, it's absolute magic. And I think since I started YouTube, I've realised how much video impacts kind of memories as well, and how special they are. And yes, photos are incredible. Photos really, relive a moment. But actually, I've realised how much video and film enhances that 10 times more, and you are fully immersed into that memory, and it is so lovely. So, I mean, the kids are dancing away. We've got the Christmas songs on the Alexa, and they're just happy dancing around and decorating their tree. And yes, I'm going to have to go and have a bit of a titivate later and move some bits about. It's a little bottom heavy at the moment, but they're having the best time, and that's all you can ask. And like I say, I'm filming it because why not? It's a memory that I can have then, and I can share with my husband and different things, and it's just special. Take care, guys. See you tomorrow for day 11. Bye. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and leave me a cheeky little comment below if you want to say hi and tell me what your Hackmas tricks are this year.